Hey everyone, on today's video, we're going to discuss a brand new listing that our team just signed up. This is 20 units in the city of Santa Ana at 950 West Bishop. This property is 80s construction, 20 units, and it's got a great cap rate going in of 4.6%. The asking price is $5,980,000, which equates to $299,000 per unit. The going in rents on an annual basis are $436,000, which equates to a GRM of 13.5, which is a great going in return. Very hard to find 80s product within the market. This is a great size asset. It's been under the current ownership for a long time. This is not a flip property. You've got a nice unit mix of 8 2-bedroom, 1-bath units and 12 1-bedroom, 1-bath units. What I like about this is you've got gated, controlled access. The 80s construction is really important to me. And then also the fact that a lot of these units have been updated. Almost half of the units have been updated and renovated with vinyl plank flooring, European shaker cabinets, granite and quartz countertops. You also have mini split systems, air conditioning and heat. You have LED ceiling lighting and modern finishes throughout. So I think you've got a great little piece of real estate here that's perfect for a 1031 exchange buyer if you're thinking about maybe trading out of an 8 or a 10 unit building and wanting to roll up into a 15 or 20 unit building, leverage an on-site manager and kind of scale up your operations. This could be a great asset to consider. If you'd like more information to receive the marketing brochure, feel free to send us a message and our team will be in touch. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.